don't have energy. I never drink water. Just sitting there like that. And I saw some wasp nests.
Oh, there's several.
Oh, God. Ugh. Today, mentally, not physically. Well, physically I guess too. Like, I don't have energy. I think it's just because I haven't been sleeping. Like last night I could not sleep at all, you know, racing thoughts and whatnot. I'm pretty okay in the daytime. Trying to sleep at night, my brain doesn't shut off and I just think way too much about stuff that's out of my control. I've been pretty motivated recently, you know, here and there, so-so, on a daily basis. But today, I am absolutely not motivated. Anyway, so it's gorgeous outside. Really windy, but good temperature. And that's all I have to say. Just don't feel like doing anything today. You can't touch any part of this because it gets hot. You understand? I never drink water, he said radiantly. Even Grandma didn't know it. It was a great surprise as a general thing. Paul shook his brown clothes gravely. I don't like to be surprised.
He has hands.
He has hands?
Yeah.
Oh, that's bizarre.
And muscles.
He has muscles too?
Yeah.
He's a strong phone?
He's a cut, not a phone.
Or shrunk up. I need more sleep. Yeah, big benches.
Lay on this
We got a rack. You don't want to be far. So it's 245s, 225s, 210. You're such a strong little boy. Lucky enough.
It seemed like it fit that well, though.
Dude, why are you calling me dude? My light is off.
Yeah.
I'll turn it.
Okay.
Let me see what it is.
It's a wasp nest.
Oh, there's several. This is cute.
I've spent half the day working on this air conditioner trying to get it ready to hook up because it's so ungodly hot up here, especially in this room. And I know I'm cutting it close and I shouldn't even bothered trying to get in the window tonight because it's his bedtime like now. But I was going to try and get it done anyway. But I looked up in the window to get ready to like clean up all the spiders and spider webs that are up there in the corner. And I saw some wasp nests up there, 2 of them. So I knew I couldn't take care of that tonight. So the air conditioner's not getting in the window and I think we will die tonight because it is so hot in here. I don't know how I'm gonna get this room cooled off because air just does not come in here. One, because we don't have a window that has a screen, so we can't open the window in here. So this is the hottest room, probably in the house. I'm gonna try to blow some cool air in here because if you go and step by the window in the bathroom or his room, it feels pretty good outside. In here, it's like 85 degrees. You're not too hot, are you? Okay. Oh, God. Ugh. I'm gonna get attacked by wasps. I know it. I know, it's really heavy. Just try not to hit that thing that's holding the window up or the window. There you go. Oh my God. I feel like this thing is just gonna fall out. Am I crazy?
As long as the window doesn't fall out, then no, it won't.
Oh my God, look at my face. I'm pouring sweat.
Well, the bed is fine.
Okay, here we go.
And Mama cleaned in here. And I wanted to pour it
A little bit more now. Yeah, it's cooling off. It's cold. Before he was born, or like when he was born.
When he was little, yeah.
That's the last time we used that. Oh, hello there.
blanket train. Cool car go down. How was that? Holy crap, Remy.
I got this bamboo. I think it's supposed to be bamboo. It's probably just like coated bamboo, something like that. Yeah, it's 100% compostable materials. It's to drain, to keep shampoo and conditioner bars in. We'll see how they are. They smell good. It smells like citronella. There's a conditioner bar. That one smells really good. I'll just sit in there like that in the shower. There's no way that's as far as it goes. There's no way. Oh no. This thing said it was closer than that. You gotta be kidding me. Is it just stuck? Please tell me. This is not real. Oh. You gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. Okay, so the thing I read online, pretty sure it said that it would fit. That's as far as it goes. Oh my God. Why didn't I measure? God dang it. Now what? It was going to look so good up there. Well, good enough anyway.